Hey, are you looking for ways to make money online and you came across Clickbank and you're wondering what products are good to promote on here, and maybe you're wondering how to get started on Clickbank and what it actually takes and if you can make money from here? Well, you come to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to go over exactly what Clickbank is. So this is going to be a Clickbank review. I'm also going to go over, how to pick a good product and what to actually promote on this site. So, basically, um, there are some things that you need to know, like how to pick a product, how to actually find a product, and what it actually means. And then you have to get traffic to it. So I'm going to show you how to do all that stuff, and I'm going to show you the traffic source that you can use to actually get a lot of good results with these kind of offers. All right, so let's get into it. What Clickbank is Clickbank is an affiliate marketing website that people host their products on. So they have um, digital products that they put on here, and people go and they resell them. When they resell their products, pretty much you get a commission, right? So if you make a sale with one of these products that they have on the site, you get a commission for it, right? So that's how it works. And so it's a marketplace, like a hub for people's products, right? So you want to pick products that are good, and you want to test them, right? Everything is coming down to testing. So it doesn't matter what they have on the site, you want to test it out. When you go to somebody who sells traffic or something like that, and you ask them how they think something would convert, they can never tell you an accurate answer because it all is based on the testing. Like, if somebody were to just tell you what they think your results would be with paid traffic, they would be lying to you, right? Because they don't know those results until you actually do the test. So on this website, you could pick out products, and you could go and you can go and market them in the marketplace and be able to make a commission. So you want to pick out ones that um, are good, that have a lot of people that are promoting them. And something that you want to look at is the gravity score. The gravity score basically tells you how many people are actually promoting this offer, and if it's a good offer, right? But if it's too high, that means a lot of people are actually promoting the offer, right? So you want to look at that. You want to look at the reviews. You want to look at how many people are actually promoting it, and the numbers, the stats on it, right? So that's what you want to do when you have your product. And then whenever you have your product, you need to get people to it. You need to get traffic to your pages, right? And I always suggest standing out from everybody else who's promoting the offer. So they'll give you the sales pages, they'll give you stuff to use. But I always suggest having your own funnels and having your own things set up when you go and you sell buy um, traffic to it, right? That's pretty much what you want to do. And come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com, and you could get a traffic package over here. Why should you get traffic over here? Because the traffic that I offer you is targeted towards the offers that you're promoting. Your capture page and sales copy, I make sure they're congruent, right? So you want to make sure your funnel is congruent when you're sending people to it. That way you get better conversions, and you want to make sure that the quality of traffic that you're getting is very high quality, right? So that's one of the things that I take very seriously. I make sure that people get high quality traffic, and not all solo ads are created equally, right? So when you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing, PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic when you order traffic from me, and then I help you to set up your funnels and your offers, right? So I help you to manage your funnels, and I help you to get the highest converting pages, up to 85% opt-in rate. I help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rate, because it's very important to know those stats. When you're running traffic, you always want to know your stats. So you want to be tracking your stats. You want to know what your numbers are, right? Because if you're sending some traffic to a funnel and your stats are low, it's obviously not getting you the kind of results that you would like, right? So you want to be able to track those stats. You want to understand how to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. And that's what I help you with, right? So the goal is to help you get results. So step one is you select a traffic package below. There's 90% tier one and 100% tier one. Pick the one that works best for you. And then after that, we do a campaign review and a strategy call. So, you book your traffic package. We review your campaign. I show you what can be improved on. I show you how you can get better results. I show you how you could get as high as 85% opt-in rate in your funnels. And I give you feedback. I let you know how you could keep your emails in the inbox and so they never go to spam. So people are actually seeing your emails when you're going and buying traffic, because if you're buying traffic and people aren't opening your emails, people aren't seeing your emails, it could be that they're going to the spam folder. And if they're going to the spam folder, then nobody's ever seeing them. And that's not a good thing, right? So you want to make sure that your emails are actually making it to the inbox. And I help you with that on the campaign review when we do the strategy call. I let you know how you could be more effective with your paid traffic, and then we launch your campaign within 3 days. Your campaign will start. Now, if you book the strategy call, your campaign will start after the strategy call. So just keep that in mind. But typically, the campaign starts within 3 days. If you don't book the strategy call, if you do, then it'll start after the strategy call, whenever that is, right? So typically, we leave a 3-day grace period when you order. So just know that. And then here's some of the testimonials that I have from people. So you can take a look at these for yourself. Here's 200 clicks of traffic, 90% opt-in rate, 3 sales. And here's other testimonials here as well. Take a look at these. As you're coming down here, here's 90% tier 1. Here's 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. And then right here, we have questions that people ask, so chances are your questions are going to be answered down here, so make sure you take a look at that. Here's my guarantee to you. My guarantee to you is I give you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, you could leave them down here in this box. I will answer my support inbox, or my assistant will, and we will get back to you. And from there, if you have any other questions, you could leave them below this video as well. You could leave them in the comments. I will answer them in the comments under this video, or you can reach out to me on Facebook. There's going to be a link below this video that goes to my free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. So you can get into that free Facebook group, and you will find my Facebook page. I am Facebook verified, Gio Ambrose Gianta. So you will be able to leave me a message on Facebook as well. And there's a link to this traffic store below this video. So click on that link below this video to order some traffic. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.